Elimination of left recursion. As we have seen in our last lecture, an example. Now see the next example. Suppose we have this grammar s tends to L, bracket L bracket oblique A, and L tends to L comma S oblique S. So here we can see here is no left recursion, but here left recursion is present. So because comma S will be repeated all the time, so we can take comma S star. Because of repetition, we will take star. So instead of comma S star, we will take a new variable. How we are going to take? So that left recursion will remove. So this will remain same. S tends to bracket L bracket oblique A, because there is no left recursion, but here we will write like this: L tends to SL dash, to remove the left recursion. And what would the value of that new variable L dash? L dash can be epsilon. If repetition is not required, comma S, it will be epsilon. If repetition is required, then comma S L dash. So this will be the grammar, and here we can see there is no left recursion. Now move to the next example. Suppose we have this example: S tends to ABDH, B tends to BBH, D tends to EF, E tends to G oblique epsilon, and F tends to F oblique epsilon. So how we are going to remove the left recursion? Because here we can see there is no left recursion in S, so we can write like this only, but here left recursion is present. So we will write B tends to HB dash, and what will be the B dash value? It can be epsilon if repetition is not required, oblique BB dash. BB dash, and all these things will remain same because there is no left recursion. D tends to EF, E tends to G oblique epsilon, and F tends to F oblique epsilon. Now move to the next example. Suppose we have this: S tends to AB, AC, ABC, and A tends to ADE, ACE, SAP. Here we can see there is some more production. There are some more production which are creating trouble here. So we solve this. So first we write S here. So S tends to AB, AC, AB, C, and because this is also S here, so these value will get changed by putting the S value. So we will write like this: A tends to ADE, ACE, and instead of S, what we can write? AB. So we will write AB, AB. Instead of S, we can write AC. So we'll write AC, AB. And instead of S, what we can write? ABC. So we will write ABC and rest AB. So now these are the new production for A. So now we'll see how we can remove the left recursion. So in S there is no left recursion, so we will write S as it is. We will write S as it is. But now in A we need to remove the left recursion. So what we are going to do? First we are going to take these two. First we are going to take these two productions. So we will write A tends to AB, 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 A dash, new variable, because removing the left recursion we need to take new variable, because here is a left recursion regarding A. So we will write AB, AB, A dash, and these are the production of A. So AB, AB, A dash, and AC, AB, A dash. A tends to, this will remain same. And now move to the A dash. What will the value of A dash? A dash can be epsilon if repetition is not required, or what it can be? What left? These are left because here left recursion is present. So how we are going to write it? We are going to write it DE A dash. And what we are going to write it? CE A dash. And what left? What left? This one also left. So what we can write here? We can write BC AB A dash. We can write here like this. So now we can see here there is no left recursion present. So left recursion has been removed for this grammar. In that way we can remove the left recursion. Now let's see another example. Suppose we have S tends to A and A tends to AD, AE, AB, AC, AF. We have this, and B tends to B, B, C, F. We have this grammar. Now we need to remove the left recursion from this grammar. So how we are going to do this? There is no left recursion, so we will write it as it is. But here left recursion is present. So how we are going to write it? We are going to write it A tends to First we write these two production, AB, A dash, AC, A dash, and this AF, A dash. Now what will be the value of A dash? What will be the value of A dash? A dash can be either epsilon, either it can be D A dash, D A dash, or what else it can be? It can be E A dash. It can be E A dash. And in B there is no left recursion, so we will write as it is B, B, C oblique F. So this will be the grammar in which we don't have left recursion. So in that way we can convert the grammar with left recursion into the grammar without left recursion by taking the new variable.